AvaMix food processors save time by quickly prepping fruits and vegetables. To assemble the batch bowl machine, unplug the unit and place the batch bowl on the base, lining up the arrow on the bowl to the dot on the base. Twist the bowl counterclockwise until it locks in place and the arrows on each component line up with each other. Please note to always use caution when handling blades and discs. Next, line up the flat part of the motor shaft with the middle of the S-blade. Then place the blade on the motor shaft. The blade should be parallel and about 3/32 of an inch from the bottom of the bowl. Note that if the blade is not properly installed, remove the blade and double check the alignment. If this doesn't work, twist the blade until it slides down into place. If the blade does not slide into place, remove the top seal ring on the motor shaft and restart the assembly process from the beginning. Next, hook the lid bar on top of the bowl. Then press down on the lid and close it using the latch. The lid includes a safety magnet that will stop the blade once it's opened. Finally, remove the lid before taking the bowl off the base. To assemble the continuous feed attachment, place the attachment angled on the base and twist into place by turning it counterclockwise. It will lock into place with the exit chute straight over the front of the unit. Then unhook the latch to open the attachment. You now have access to switch out the cutting discs. Note that the motor shaft has a pin that is used to lock in the plates. The bottom of the pin is used to hold the plastic ejector in place. To remove the plate, twist it counterclockwise until it clears the pins and then gently lift up. To add a plate, line up the openings with the pins on the motor shaft. Next, lower the plate into place and twist it clockwise to lock it into place. Then close the lid and use the latch to shut it. Reliable and easy to use, these machines are built to withstand the demands of your busy kitchen.